Former NFL player Jerod Mayo has been formally announced as the new head coach for the New England Patriots. On Wednesday, Mayo, who played as a linebacker for the Patriots from 2008 to 2015, was introduced at a press conference where he expressed his commitment to rebuilding relationships within the team and breaking down any existing barriers or divisions. During the press conference, when asked about his predecessor, Bill Belichick, Mayo made it clear that he is not trying to emulate him or fill his shoes. Instead, Mayo asserted his intention to bring his own unique style and approach to coaching while still respecting the legacy left by Belichick. Mayo conveyed his eagerness to establish an atmosphere of collaboration and unity within the team, emphasizing the importance of building strong relationships both on and off the field. He expressed his belief that teamwork and cohesion are essential for success in football, and hopes to foster a supportive and inclusive environment to maximize the team's potential. In addition to his playing experience, Mayo brings a wealth of football knowledge and leadership qualities to his new role. Following his retirement from playing, he spent 2 seasons as a linebacker coach for the Patriots, gaining insight into coaching strategies and player development. The announcement of Mayo as head coach has generated a sense of optimism and excitement among the Patriots fanbase. Many believe that his deep understanding of the team's culture, combined with his passion for the game, will bode well for the future of the franchise. As the Patriots embark on a new era under Mayo's leadership, all eyes will be on the team's progress and the potential impact of his unique coaching style. With his focus on rebuilding relationships and breaking down silos within the organization, Mayo aims to steer the Patriots towards continued success in the NFL.